Grabbing some grub on the run, Bill? Don't mean to keep you, but it looks like from that buildup and lingering odor that your microwave could use a good clean. What's the best way to get up all that grime and grit? Well, Bill, glad you asked. Here's how cleaning your microwave is faster and easier than heat and eat itself. First things first, the more often you clean, the better. Get those spills up quickly so the clean is speedy and squeaky. At least once a week. Now let's tackle the inside of the microwave. If your microwave has the steam clean feature, follow the user guide to put it to work. You can also boil 2 cups of water with a dash of lemon juice, and then let it sit for a minute or 2. When you're finished, wipe it dry with a dish towel. Finally, the turntable. Wash it once a week in the dishwasher or with warm sudsy water. Get in there, Bill. Now it's time to clean the outside of the microwave. Start by wiping down the control panel with a damp cloth. Watch for the vents, Bill. Next, get under that microwave. It's best to use a warm water and detergent solution to wipe the grease up. Oh, and the door, too. Always keep the door seals clean of grime and residue that could keep the door from closing properly. Wash the glass door with very mild soap and water. Use a soft cloth to avoid scratching. And wipe off any water buildup on the door. Over-the-range microwaves have 2 types of filters, charcoal and grease. It's a good idea to clean your grease filter once a month. If you're recirculating air, replace your charcoal filter every 6 to 12 months. And finally, remember to always be careful right after cooking. Whew, that's a hot one. All right, Bill, let's recap. Cleaning your microwave once a week is ideal to prevent buildup and odors. Wipe up those spills right after they happen for easier cleaning. Use steam clean or boil water to help clean the inside cavity. And don't forget to show the turntable some love. Wipe down your control panel. And make sure not to forget under the microwave and the door. Finally, replace the charcoal filter every 6 to 12 months and clean the grease filter. And always be careful right after cooking. There you have it. Fast and easy as promised. Bill, your food's ready. Get going.